kenkyuu. You'll hear it at universities, companies, and labs anytime people closely look into something new. 研究、大学や会社、ラボでよく使います。新しいことを詳しく調べる場面で聞きます。It is a noun that also functions as a pseudoverb. kenkyuu means carefully finding out new knowledge through organized study, investigation, and analysis, sometimes leading to development or refinement. 学問や事実を丁寧に調べ、データを集めて考えを深めること。問題を確かめるための専門的な調査や分析のことです。The first kanji means to sharpen or polish, then by extension, to refine knowledge. You can hear it in kenkyuu for training, where skills get polished. It also appears in kenma, which literally means polishing. Think of smoothing a rough edge until it shines. The second kanji means to get to the bottom of something, even to the ultimate point. It shows up in kyutyoku, which means the ultimate form of something. You also meet it in tankyuu for a deep pursuit of a topic. Imagine following a tunnel all the way. I am researching AI. 私は AI の研究をしています。私は AI の研究をしています。His research is very famous. 先生の研究はとても有名です。先生の研究はとても有名です。Quitting research. 研究をやめる。研究をやめる。Engage in research. 研究に取り組む。研究に取り組む。The most common synonyms of the word are chosa and tankyuu. Chosa is practical fact-finding and data gathering. Tankyuu is a deep pursuit of truth or meaning. Kenkyuu covers systematic, often academic work and can include both. The most common antonym of the word is okusoku. It relies on guessing without careful data or testing, which contrasts with the systematic, evidence-based nature of kenkyuu.